had a very unique history. When he was young, he had a very bad attack of asthma, took a lot of medication like steroid, and that eventually actually gave him a lot of hair loss. So he do not suffer from actually genetic male pattern baldness. All his family, everybody has full of hair, unfortunately for him, right? Yeah. So we've done hairline for him, and the way I've done the hairline, temporal angles, and look at it, the temporal points, both the temporal points. Once he have this, his whole look, aesthetic look is going to change, because he's going to have hair. His forehead is going to be more soft, and both the temporal angles, when he take photo, when the side views, side profile, he will look good. He wants to do a little bit, can you look down a little? He wants to do a little bit in the crown area. Yes, I agree. We'll do about 500 grams around that area. Vijay has a beautiful donor area. So it is a fully shaven method today. So, you like to say anything?
No, I'm just waiting to proceed.
He's still waiting to proceed. He can't wait. He's so excited. He can't wait. So, but like I told him, it's a journey of 1 year to see the end result, which he clearly and